It is October 11th. Still in Yellowstone, still crawling through the park. Just our luck that we're within 43 miles of where we gotta be, and the road's closed. What the hell? What the This sucks. Feeding Hudson breakfast on a pull-off in Yellowstone because we left so early. Goodbye. We are in Idaho. This is our third state in 3 hours. We're gonna end up back in Wyoming. We started in Montana, went to Wyoming through Yellowstone, back into a different part of Montana. Now we're in Idaho. We're looking to slow it down on the amount of states. We are almost at the Grand Tetons. We're climbing through Teton Pass right now. Hi, boobadooks. This is Jackson. Going to the visitor center. Greg Thomas. Visitor center. Woohoo! We're driving right now to Upper Teton Overview, to our campsite for the night. Pulling into our campsite. Be bear aware. Food storage required. Don't love that. Is there a view?
Well, one done with that. The other one.
Alright, I'm coming. This is the view. It's only 20 minutes from the visitor center of Grand Tetons towards Yellowstone. We got some dinner going over here. We got our chairs set up. We grabbed some wood that we found around the area. So we're gonna eat some chicken noodle pasta and sit by a fire if we make one.
We are filming some, not filming, we are cooking some dinner. Hudson and Jess are over there, you know, looking all happy. I'm here looking amazing as ever. Better without the hat, honestly. Our view from the campsite, pretty awesome, I must say so myself. Those are the Tetons over there. Clouds are sort of blocking the top, we can't see them all. But overall, excellent camp spot. Free, because we're cheap.
No, we're
Thrifty. We like a good deal. All right, back to cooking. We got a minute left on our noodles. Nudes, as we call them. They're looking pretty good. We're gonna add some chicken. We're gonna add some cheese, and we're gonna add some pasta sauce, and we're gonna call that delicious. That's it. He's the definition of a happy camper. Oh yes, oh yeah, oh yes, you're so excited. You're so excited. Jess, how's our first dinner meal?
It's good. We used what we had. It's a lot of noodle.
Noodle, chicken, so I mean you know what it is.
Alright. Ready? Johnny's over here.
You know what I'm doing.
He's building us a fire. My shoulders are burning.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, those are some thick logs.